back to the channel. I'm out driving my oldest boy's Celica, 2000 model Celica. He was supposed to use this one for test driving. We had, of course, some things that was not perfect on the car, so we have worked on brake and things. When we were out driving yesterday, we ended up, he was hitting a pothole, and then some rubber bushing or something went out. So now we get more and more noise. You hear it now. I drive it just to see on some bad. This asphalt road is not stony road or nothing, but you hear the sound every time I go up and down on a speed bump here. Right hand front is knocking something. So ending up, I was hoping that we could use this car for a longer time before we have to do something with the engine or things, but now it looks like we're going to end up having to take this car right away and start ordering parts, because this is not fit for him to test drive on anymore. We can't take any chances then, so this just have to be put away or driven into the garage. I'm going to take it on a stony road just to hear the knocking. Sounds like it's on the right side front, and it's making more and more noise. See here, the road is not good here at all. So I've been checking a little today. I get complete new shock absorber springs and the whole legs, front and back, from USA for around 2,500 Norwegian. That is if I'm going to buy the parts separately, the whole strut tower. That is cheap, plus some transport and things. And then I have to find which bushings with which other parts now that I have to change to. So when I first take it in, I just have to change all of those things, so I don't have to go and do the same job again right after, because it's shot. Here just hitting hard, so some rubber. I think it's rubber. What do you think? Could be some other things, but I think it's some rubber in the suspension who are breaking off. If the spring have broken, it shouldn't be this sound. Should have been sagging down more on the side. They haven't. It's standing completely flat. So a shock absorber can't just keep it flat, can it? No, I don't think so. Yeah, just to be on the safe side. Could be making the noise. Wheel nuts. There's no point starting to believe in ghosts before I'll just check those. The nuts are sitting well. This side I've been up with it. I greased up the top here, but the movement is slow. So the other side I haven't been greasing up, but I feel like the noise are coming from further down in the suspension. So we have to find out that. This car had to go. The car had to go into the garage, and I had to go over the whole suspension, front and back. I'm thinking it would have been nice just to take everything in one go. Because the chance that some of it is good and the rest is not good, I don't believe it. Most likely everything is more or less used up. So I just have to go in and change the brake pad. Maybe I can save the discs. The handbrake system have to be changed in the back, I think. I have to see. I don't think it's the adjustment to is not working anymore. Most likely it's the brake shoes. But the handbrake is also not perfect. It's starting to give after. So I see it now that I just have to change it right away. There's no point to make this car good again. The most of the inside of the car is nice. The most of the outside is very okay. Some small things, yeah, but that's going to be okay. So it's the going over the suspension and also checking up and see if I can take off the exhaust, because we have a leakage in the exhaust pipe before the catalytic or right after the catalytic converter, maybe. So we just have to check that. If we get to fix that, then it'll be easier just to fix it and start to use it again later in the winter or in the spring. We have to see how much time we're going to use in the garage. But I had to get the oldest boy here to come with me and see what we are doing, so he understands it. I hope you guys like this information about what's making me put this car away for the garage time. It could be nice to understand why I do the things I do. This car was bought cheap, so I'm not stressed. I'm not sad. I know this was more or less going to happen. So I just was hoping it's going to take it a little longer time before something happened, but no, it's not. So I just have to fix it. but I hope I can make some videos that is good for you guys. Later I also have to take in this, the 98 model Celica. That one I bought first. The plan was for my biggest boy to use this one for test driving, and I like this one too. Then I found a 2000 model, very cheap, and it looks to be a lot of car for the money, so I just bought it. And then they said they want that one instead, so then I'm going to fix that one first. So, hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope you come back and see more. I'll make more about these Celicas, the Land Cruiser, more of the Lexuses, and also more of the old Celicas. Because I have a 72 Cube, 77 liftback, and a 84 liftback. So, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and write a comment if you have some idea. You can help me find cheap parts or what to start looking for on this Celica. I'll be very happy. Thank you.